you guys, welcome back to my channel. I have got some new projects underway that I just got back from the hardware store. I've got all of this lumber, I've got this wood lattice, and it's going to be so good. I've got lattice gates that we are going to build and put on each side of this goat house right here to cover all of the junk that is inside of these lean-tos. So let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and measure out my lattice. I'm gonna route out the center of our 2x4s so that the lattice sits inside of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure these out real quick. My husband's getting out the table saw. We're gonna get us some gates. Using the table saw, it's taking several passes to do it, and we have to do 8 of these. So we are looking at doing a different option. My husband has a router and it has a 1/2 inch bit, and the lattice is about a 1/2 inch thick. So we're hoping he can get this up and running and be able to route out that 1/2 inch strip and fit the lattice perfectly. Let's hope this works. That's what it looks like after running through the router, full of dust. So this is the intention. We haven't fit it to the lattice yet, but this was the router, 1/2 inch piece. So we'll see if it fits. Hopefully it does. It is another day. We've got 1 gate panel down. We need 1 more to go to finish the goat house. panels built and ready to paint. So I've got the paint sprayer out and we're gonna get going. So the plan was for me to paint these, but he took over, so I'm not mad about it. One coat down, gonna flip them, paint that, hopefully get these hung really soon. It started raining on us. It wasn't calling for rain, but it is raining. So we are standing here with plastic over top of what we just painted so it doesn't get ruined. Come on under. Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome.
I don't know that it's gonna stop anytime soon. Wet paint and rain does not equal a successful project. Well, let me tell you. I think the monsoon is over, so I'm going to uncover everything and see if there's any damage. I think they're gonna be okay. Getting the plastic on when we did definitely saved them, and I'm not seeing anything crazy. So that was crazy downpour, but we're good. So now I think we're just at a point where we need to install them. I cannot wait to see what it looks like. So these are the hinges I picked up from Lowe's. They're a pretty decorative type hinge. I don't know if I want these to be visible on the outside, if we're gonna put them on the inside so you don't see them, but I got them pretty just in case. So it should be fairly simple getting these hung. Can't wait.
This is called a turnbuckle. So classic clothesline type connector. You put your cable around there, then you hook your hook on your eye bolt, and then twisting this in the very center draws both pieces in together so it tightens your cable. This is how we put it together. So this is not structurally sound on its own because I don't have any 45-degree angles bracing it, and the reason is because you wanted this lattice in there, so you don't want to look through your lattice and see the big 2x4s. So what this will do is give you a minimalistic way to eliminate the sag without big boards.
And this is on the inside of the gate, so you won't see it from the outside. No one will ever know except for us and every single one of you that watch.
Spin the tip, just no. There you go.
Our teenage daughter made us dinner tonight, so we're having spaghetti. Lord, please let it fit. This is the moment of truth, whether or not our gates are going to actually fit and hang and work and open and close properly and all of that. So here we go.
And stick it underneath.
We've had lots of rain, and apparently it was so much so that this tree decided it did not want to stand any longer. So we have a fence down, the goats are out, they flipped my bench, and I can't put them up because the tree's on top of the gate. Man, that would have been our chicken run, and it would have crushed our chicken run had we built that yet. Goodness gracious. I know, they already flipped the bench once. They're going to flip it again. Let me get out. Goats.
They're going to do it again.
Oh, man. Aside from all the crazy weather, it's a great day because our gates are done. Ta-da! They're installed. Ta-da! We have them both. I am so happy to finally have doors on our goat house. We store all the kids' bikes right here, and it looks so bad to see them all the time. So literally when you drive up the driveway, you see this goat house almost immediately, and you were seeing all of our junk. Now you don't. Oh no. I just realized the style of lock that we have on the door. You could totally go into this thing and close it. And I don't think you'd be able to get back out. Houston, we have a problem. That would be so bad. I'd be like looking around for my kids and they'd be locked up in here or something. Yikes. I think we gotta come up with a different lock. Help, I'm locked in. Just kidding. He fixed it. So I told my husband what happened and he installed this. So if anyone ever gets locked in here, you can just pull this and open it up. And he did such a fantastic job working on it all by him's lonesome, and I thank him for it. And I'm so happy with how they turn out. So more projects to come, more gardening to come. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends all about it, and we will see you next time. Happy gardening.